Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing packet loss in Apex Legends, it can make the game frustrating and unplayable. Don't worry. Today, we're sharing 9 proven ways to fix packet loss and improve your connection. Let's jump right in. 1. Check your internet connection. What it does. A weak or unstable connection can cause packet loss. How to fix. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Try restarting your modem or router to refresh the connection. 2. Use a wired connection, Ethernet. What it does. Wired connections are more stable than Wi-Fi, reducing packet loss. How to fix. Plug your device directly into your router using an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. 3. Close background applications. What it does. Other apps using your internet can cause packet loss by consuming bandwidth. How to fix. Close any applications or devices that may be using the internet, like streaming, downloads, etc., while playing Apex Legends. 4. Check Apex Legends server status. What it does. The issue may not be on your end. It could be with the game's servers. How to fix. Visit Apex Legends server status page or Twitter for any ongoing outages or maintenance. 5. Select a server closer to you. What it does. The further the server, the higher the latency and chance of packet loss. How to fix. When choosing a server region in Apex Legends, select the one closest to your geographical location. 6. Change DNS servers. What it does. Your DNS server could be contributing to connection issues. How to fix. Change your DNS settings to a faster server like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1. 7. Disable or adjust your firewall. What it does. Firewalls can sometimes block game data, causing packet loss. How to fix. Try disabling your firewall temporarily, or configure it to allow Apex Legends to communicate freely. 8. Use a VPN, optional. What it does. A VPN can help bypass connection issues if your ISP is causing packet loss. How to fix. Try using a VPN to connect to a different server, potentially improving packet loss issues. 9. Update network drivers. What it does. Outdated or corrupt network drivers can affect your connection. How to fix. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Go to Device Manager, right-click your network adapter, and select Update Driver. Conclusion. By following these 9 fixes, you can significantly reduce or eliminate packet loss in Apex Legends, leading to a smoother, more enjoyable gaming experience. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips on improving your gaming performance.